Olympus. Okay, so the map has changed for ranked matches. I really enjoyed the previous map, but I'm not sure if I will like this new map, Olympus. Let's see how it goes. And hopefully we will not lose points tonight. Da-da-da-dum. Da-dun-da-dun-da-dun-dun. Da-dun-da-dun. Da-dun-da-dun-dun. Hello, my friends. Hello. Pereira. Do you speak Espanol? Pereira. Qué bien.
Hey, we both woke up today. Not a bad start.
Nothing surprises me.
Portugal?
Introducing your champion.
Cristiano Ronaldo. We are neighbors. Take me
Let's make a choice. Land here.
home.
Mates, wait a second. Dropping in. Hang on. Let's do this.
I'll be gone. There are three teams. Tres teams are coming.
Hold up, mates. Nah. Hold up, mates.
Enemy landing right on top of me.
Tossing up some amped cover.
Above us.
I could use a weapon.
Very low.
Bam. Guess I'm running out of ideas. Giving my shields a recharge.
Giving my shields a recharge. Tossing a frag. Shield. Grenade, heads up.
Push, push, push, push, push.
Taking some damage.
Help me, come on. So slow, man.
Lucky us, we're with the new kill leader. 1 sec, healing. Over here. 45 seconds.
Back up, back up, back up. I have to heal.
I'm okay with that.
Regroup here.
I'm down.
Give me a
Pereira,
sec.
back up.
Healing. Let's go here, mates. Rings close. Got 30 seconds. Let's turn it
She's
up,
gonna die.
mates.
This time I'm down.
Oh my god, dude.
10 seconds. Rings close. We got this.
Are you safe?
No, no.
Progress.
Rings moving and we're all outside. Let's not die this
I
way.
had to heal, man. There's no respawn. Oh my god. How does he know I'm here?
Enemy spotted. They look small.
Care package.
Got a care package coming in.
Idiot.
Knock 'em down, get the crown.
Pick
Replicated
up
there.
and bro.
Might have ammo. Not
Nah,
that
I'm good, I'm
Sheila
good.
needs it. She makes her own. Tossing up some man's cover. Yo, Blanca landed close by.
Fucking way. Oh my god, dude. Was it a different team? Wait, was it a different team or the same team? I have no idea what happened there. Ay, ay, ay. Hello, my friends. Please don't forget to like the stream. Welcome. I have no idea if the stream is lagging or the quality is bad. If you see any issues, let me know. I should have gone, man. I thought that guy is gonna push alone and I can kill that guy with Sheila, but they were waiting. That was so suspicious, I swear. I felt like they knew exactly every move I was about to make. They didn't pick. How do you know I'm still there? I think one of them had a wall hack. I'm very certain.
Gonna be a good match.
That was very
I can feel it
suspicious.
in me stash.
Electrons aren't the biggest part of an atom, but they carry its spark.
Hello.
Warmed up, ready to go? Me? I could use another nap.
Are you guys solo queuing or your friends?
Introducing your champion.
Oh, hello, hello.
Are you solo queuing or are you friends?
Solo.
Let's
Random team.
go. Let's go.
Reckon
This
we
looks like a
crash
good
landed
place for a
puppy
funeral.
there.
Hear you.
Maybe you guys.
Let's go.
I think if you go here,
Sniper
Head that
arsenal
way,
here.
fellas.
Hit a bloke in the
Yeah,
nose.
no,
yeah, but
nobody's
that
coming.
one, that
Where
one
you
back,
shooting
back.
from?
yeah,
That-
I
that-
love it. Yeah, and abilities as well.
Playing with fences.
All right, let's go with a sniper and Volt SMG. I really enjoy Volt SMG.
Extended light Magia. Level 4. That's the first of many lights to go out.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Got an amp here. Bottomless batteries.
So we don't have to worry about. There's no lag at all. Everything is completely fluid. Thank you, Sumoji. Welcome, by the way. I remember your name. Oh, I remember. Yes, I remember you. You were the person who came to my stream the other day. You were streaming on Twitch, right? And then you stopped.
Got some sniper ammo here.
I hope you are doing good. Ooh, my memory is good. I hope you are doing good. How do you know I am
Extended
on
heavy mag
YouTube?
here. Level 3.
Is it coincidence?
That would come in handy.
I think you came to my Twitch channel. How do you know I am on YouTube?
Ultimate's ready. Let's give these jokers a show.
I really enjoy YouTube more because of the quality. I love watching my streams later, maybe after some years, and see a good quality, you know?
In progress.
Shield battery here.
You're a
done, mates.
detective?
We're inside the next ring.
You're
Can all
funny.
calm down a bit.
How's it going? Are you still playing
Medkit here.
Are you still playing Battlefield? I missed Apex Legends. Been a long time haven't played since I since I started playing different games. I feel like I need Apex a bit.
Let's go, King. On your mark. Have a look, s'il vous plaît.
We've got
should I
a
go with
got an
this?
amp here. Infinite ammo.
Check out Kick if you enjoy quality. I don't like Kick, bro. I don't like Kick.
Weapon enhancement complete.
I never liked it. I don't know why. I don't know why.
Shield battery here.
I feel like it's copy of Twitch, and there is no difference.
Sensing.
Optics here. Mid range. Enhanced weapon.
100% better than Twitch. What in which case? I mean, in which aspect is better? Streamer aspect, no? I mean, they have less
We
cuts.
could go over there. Just a
That's what
thought.
you mean?
If I'm wrong, you can kill me.
Care package.
Hop in, mates. We're taking this ride for a spin.
Where do we have
Not for me. I'm getting off this ride. Got an amp here. Over. Hey, got a 30-30 repeater here. Wicked. Got me an upgrade, mates. Must have leveled up. Upgraded
we
and
don't
ready
have
to take on
harvesters
Vortex run.
close by? What the heck? So far away. Yeah, I mean, that's what I think. Like, it has less I mean more benefits, right? That's what you mean?
Shotgun bolt here. Gold tier.
Yeah, I understand.
That would come in handy.
But I think streamer platforms are dead. Everybody is using bots. Every single streamer I see using bots, and then it makes platforms like useless.
Some flankers shooting at me. Putting up some amped cover.
Idiot.
Enemy taken down. Reloading.
Attention. The kill leader has been
I have a
Cover
lucky
for you,
shoot.
mate.
Bro, you saved my life.
Shot at.
But you know what?
We've got
This
a new
motherfucker
kill
was
leader.
chasing me like knowing I am alone. I swear. How could it be?
Healing up. Hold on, hold on.
Felix, welcome. As a streamer, it's more stream friendly, yeah, and less problem with connection and quality in the end.
Enemy here. Here comes the old knuckle clutch.
In the end, oh,
That enemy shield.
It's broken. Very low.
I'll do it.
Frag out. Tossing Oxstar.
Deploying me knuckle cluster.
Yeah, idiot.
Enemy taken down.
I took out an enemy. Unnecessary evil to win.
And you get a bullet.
Die,
and
bitches.
you get a bullet. And you get a bullet.
Exactly.
That was the last one in the squad.
So, even if you say that Twitch is better or Kick is better, I mean, most of them are just weird bots. That's why I think the most important thing is which platform you enjoy. Stick there. How about you, Phoenix? Are you gonna come play Apex? I'm gonna check on you sometimes, brother, but
Good.
now I'm gonna
Inside the
kill
next ring.
sometime in Battlefield 6 Gauntlet. Nice.
Squad to dust.
Good
And the rest
decision.
to dust in waiting.
Thanks for coming, really. I really appreciate that. I will check your stream too.
Replicate
If I
top like
catch
a
you
top.
on Kick, I'll say hi. I'll say
Amped cover for you, mate.
I'm the detective now. I hope you enjoy your matches and win a lot of games. Felix, how's it going, brother?
Fence placed.
In the end.
Getting shot at.
Ouch! Motherfucker. You like that, huh?
Hit an enemy.
Huh?
Have to take off an
Huh, idiot?
enemy Charging my shields.
Nice.
Bro, that was so stupid, man.
Champions out.
He hit me
Our
once and he
mighty have
died.
fallen.
He's doing top glitch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay. Are you in the game now? I'm gonna invite you to the next game. You like that, huh? Huh?
I'm so very proud of me. Ah, I'm upgraded and better than ever. Getting shot at.
Oh, I didn't know I had no cover. Yeah, if I say send code, but it can't be clicked. What the heck? That sucks.
Well done, mates. We're inside the next ring. We can all come down a bit.
Fight with me, bitch. Don't shoot my teammate.
Either a care package is coming in or this guy's just happy to see me.
Guys, if you stay behind my covers, you lose no ammo. You have unlimited ammo if you stay behind my covers.
Sniper ammo here.
Ah, you say I don't care? I have so much ammo.
I'm okay.
I swear this weapon is so bad.
Inside the next ring. Ready for the match.
Backpack here. Level 3.
Replicator dropping in.
I think they have duo. We can kill them if you want.
Don't get shooting at me.
See an enemy.
Broke that
Where?
enemy shield. Here's that joker. Juicing me shield.
Man down.
Strong over there.
I see enemy spotted.
Yeah, close.
There's an enemy here. They're healing.
I missed all my shots.
There's an enemy. Didn't even have to take off my jacket. There's an enemy. Take off my jacket.
Someone got rest here.
There's a baddie.
Yeah.
Damage one.
If I says, okay, have you figured out? The next.
There's one, mates.
Did you figure it out?
Being shot at.
There's a baddie.
Ah, he jumped down.
Knuckle cluster.
They go on left side.
One over there.
Coming in.
Guys, focus here.
I take that
Juicing
back.
me shields. Bloody joker over there. They're shooting at me.
Hit an enemy. Didn't even have to take off my jacket. Reloading.
They're coming, I think.
What is that? G-Bolt. We're low.
Got a bad one over there. I scored a hit.
They are getting closer to you. I'm coming to you.
Cluster out. Dropping the mother load. Mind your head. Don't get shooting at me. I'm down.
I need cover.
You got horns and holy bloody crap.
Thank you.
I finished one.
Squad, he's attacking us. Enemy in sight.
Amped cover for you, mates.
Ring's close. Minute to spare.
This guy's solo.
Spotted.
Up here. Overflow healer.
Guys, can you watch me? I'm gonna push this guy.
Attack, right here.
Fence placed.
Rings closing in 45. It's close. We can go now or kill here. Watching here.
I don't see that.
Oh, there are two. There are two. My bad. My bad.
Come down.
I thought he was solo.
30 on the clock.
What's the ult? What's the ult? What's the ult? What's the ult? My bad. Sorry. I thought he was.
Deployed.
Mates, check out this way.
I'm sorry.
Maybe next time.
Like me, and maybe you'll stand a chance.
I thought he was solo. I didn't see Maggie. Oh, so bad, man. So bad. I didn't see Maggie there. Kanka burada mısın? Ha buradasın ama oyunda değilsin galiba. John'um benim. You could try SMS code and you don't have to, or try this if you are facing this problem on a web browser, open a private window and try in that way. Maybe your browser is having issues due to cookies. Have you tried private window?
I can win this thing with one eye closed, or both eyes
Hello
closed.
my friends.
Hell, I don't even have to show up.
Oh, I love a good party, mate. Best way to show off the gear.
Introducing
This
your
team looks
champion.
good, huh?
Better find
Oh
me
my
some
goodness! You are the champion, my friend.
Yo, what's up?
Hello.
What's up, guys?
Hello. Are you guys solo
How are
queuing
you?
or
What you say?
are you solo queuing or your friends?
Yeah, bro.
Nah,
No. I'm from Denmark.
You're from Denmark?
All right, mates.
Yeah.
We try here.
Hello to
or die
Denmark.
somewhere else. No pressure.
Yeah,
Let's
hello.
win.
Hold on tight. It's time to
Let's
drop,
go.
shock, and rock.
Ring the party.
There are two teams. Let's go here,
Hey,
loot,
mates,
and then
let's go, deep.
catch them while they're fighting. Don't go
Yeah,
to the
let's go.
center. There are 6 teams.
Could have something good here.
One is landing here
Watch
too.
out. Some weird bloke just about landed on top of me.
Got a hostile dropping near me.
Broken enemy shield. Shots fired, and they're hitting me.
Ah, Jatan.
Firing.
Ping.
Off the mic. I'm spotted.
Nice.
Reloading.
Ring far. Move fast, folks. Can't afford to lose anyone.
Mastiff here.
Kill. Grenade.
Yap.
Taking some damage. Recharging shield.
Where they at?
Faking him out with a decoy.
Broken enemy shield. Take fire. 45
Knock the Octane.
Reloading. Right. That was the last one in the squad. I gained a level and an upgrade. Shall do machate hai.
Just gotta patch myself up. Hang on.
Upgraded and
Bro, I
ready to
hit
take
someone
him for a
here.
test run.
So weird.
I think it was Octane. I got him.
What the
I
heck?
don't know.
Bamboozle.
But he was invisible.
Got one here. Shit hurt over here.
Healing.
Getting shot at. Toss in a frag.
Got a down.
Enemy. Off the mic. I'm spotted. Healing on the ship.
An enemy's shield.
Done. Rings moving.
I know.
Tango down.
Flanker's
I can
shooting at me.
Newcastle.
Reloading.
Enemy spotted. Double timing it.
I got
Enemy
two.
down.
Die.
Class.
You'll be alright. I gotcha.
All dead, right?
Yeah, all.
Nice.
Extended light mag here. Level 3.
Yup, you are wonderful. Thank you.
I killed Newcastle and nice.
Charging my shields.
I bet that care package has some sweet gear
There gotta
for
be
us.
more teams. I'll go with the R31, man. Kanka, have you tried using private window? You know, I work in a help desk. I know how it
Optics here. Mid-range.
works.
Always better
I need
on
that.
sides.
I'll take it, mate.
Yeah, someone's been
Some
here.
blonkers have been there. They could have at least tidied up.
Did we kill it,
Respect.
Watson? Did we kill it, Watson?
Got an amp here. This way sound good?
Solid copy.
Keeping watch here. If they sneak up on us, it ain't my fault. Backpack here. Level 3.
I don't need batteries if you want.
Shield battery here.
Nice. Weapons looking fine.
Enemy here.
Battery here, mates.
Horizon.
Trident here. Wanna take a load off?
Shotgun arsenal here.
Let's push this thing to high speed. Buckle up.
Quick, pop in Mirage. Pop up jam. Find me.
Real pretty now.
We can get going away.
You ain't leaving without me. Bring it on. Hold on. Let's check out over there, mates.
There's an Evo.
Nice talk, mate. Jumping out.
Far enough. Jumping out here. No sense risking fatigue. Let's take this trident.
Lasers, R301 here.
My stop. Over and out. Thank you.
Nah, thanks needed. I just take bribes though.
Amped cover for you, mates.
Where you want to go?
I'm good. We don't have to go. There are 11 teams still. They might be coming from
Keeping
hillside
watch
as
here.
well.
If they sneak up on us, it ain't
We're
my
chilling at the
fault.
moment. Okay, fight is right there.
Enemy over there, just waiting to be stepped on. Any takers?
What we can do is you can scan the zone, right?
I see one of those.
I can.
Okay, you scan the zone. I'm gonna scan. You scan enemies. I'm gonna scan the zone,
Hey, mates, ring
and we
console
will
OT.
make a plan for next zone.
Alright, we're down to 50% left. That's some pretty easy math.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Okay, the zone is closing. We will know next zone as well, and we go.
Right, got a fix on the next ring. Check your map.
Okay, forget about that. Let's fly.
Fancy going this way?
Okay, I wait you. Come fast. This is gonna
Evac
time up.
tower
Yeah, I'm
deployed
coming.
here.
I got you.
Should we go from the bridge?
We could go over there. Just a thought.
Yeah, we can.
Wrong, you can kill me.
Yeah, let's go from the bridge, from this side.
Cancel that. We could go over there. Just a thought. If I'm wrong, you can kill me.
Hopefully they don't catch us in the open. There's a fight here, but you wanna focus? I think we should keep
Yeah.
going. Or you
Let's
wanna
go.
go? We can fight
Let's go.
next zone. Let's win this. Man, this is
Feeling
calling me.
upgraded, ready
I
to
can't
take
go
on
to
the
the zone.
Painless knocking at the door.
Please. Tossing a frag. Tossing hot stuff.
Knock one.
Watching here.
Making contact here.
Attacking enemy's shield. There's one.
Hey now.
Have one.
Squad coming in.
Charging my shield.
Target spotted.
Backing up. I didn't join main me, but I joined.
Enemy landing.
What the heck?
Top of me. So rude.
They're trying to corner us. Spot. Double time it. My shields are recharged.
Putting up some amp cover. Getting shot at.
Need your help,
Took down an enemy.
guys! Come on!
I'm the king of the world, bloody dirtbag! I'm down.
Very low. Stick to rest. Fast. No.
You'll be alright. I gotcha. Hold tight. Got your back.
Charging my shields.
Smoke out.
Wait. We push together, okay?
Yeah. Let's go right side around.
Zone.
This way. One here.
This way, mix. Another squad coming in.
Tango down.
What the fuck, man?
Kill confirmed.
Attack this area. Getting attacked by another squad. Replicator's dropping like it's hot. Reloading.
Chill.
Watch it.
One minute. Things close. Plenty of time to jam.
Laser sight here. Rebels ready.
Are you good?
What there, next to us?
Let's go.
Amp
Up here.
cover, boys. 45 seconds. Ring ain't bad at all. Move it or lose it.
Did you open the box?
Yes.
What do you have here?
Yeah, I'm up here. No one here.
Rings close.
I tried to go
30
up, but
seconds. Let's turn it up,
there was a
mates.
team. I'm gonna evac cover.
Got an evac tower if we need to get
Yeah,
going.
I'll
nice.
have a cup of tea. Okay, Felix. Man, they were so low. I don't know why you came too late. I knocked GB. I almost knocked one more.
Yeah.
10 seconds.
Where you want to?
Rings close.
Let's just go here.
Got this.
We go to play next left side. Here, this side.
Hey mates, let's go
Yeah.
OD.
On my mark.
There's someone here.
Mates, that's one sad enemy over there.
I think.
In progress.
Let's fly.
Throwing an evac tower. Dying and dash.
We need to go to this right, this
We're
side.
all outside the ring and it's moving.
In this
Yeah,
high
I
ground.
just follow you.
With them.
think we should move that way.
Yeah, he may be.
Hey, mates,
Got one here.
let's go OT.
Roger.
You can play in the corner.
One here.
Oh,
One
he.
here.
Look at that plonker over there. No idea they're about to die.
Cracked an enemy shield.
One here, one HP.
Come.
Charging shields.
Enemy taken.
Bad news. I'm down.
Nah, you good. Up and at 'em.
Healing. Watch my back. Giving him the chimney. Beginning countdown. Grenade. Off the
Regroup on me, focus. Putting up some cover.
Give me a second. Recharging shield.
I don't know what I will do. I swear I have no idea what's going on.
Broken enemy shield. Spotted. Double timing it. Rings nearby.
Giving him the chimney.
I have an evac tower.
Getting attacked by another squad. Charging
Oh my
shield.
god.
Rings closing in 45. It's close.
I said evac tower up here. Come.
Kill here.
Wait, I'm hitting.
I'm pumped.
Putting down an evac tower.
Don't take it. Wait.
Spotted. Double timing.
They're shooting it.
They're trying to corner us. Wouldn't let down range. Ring ain't far.
Okay, take it.
One.
Give me a second. Recharging shields. Let's go that way.
There goes my cover, mates. Yeah, bring the party.
I need to go further. Somewhere here.
That way.
Yeah. If you get his banner, I can reboot him.
How can I get his banner?
Oh, we can prep.
Ambush. There's another squad.
Pop in the chimney.
Maybe we can wait for a different,
My shields are recharged.
for a new.
Enemy OT. I'm cover for you, mates.
Spotted.
Give my pop in the chimney.
You need to come to me.
Reloading.
Come back. Nice.
Tossing up some amp cover. Charging my shield.
We're inside the ring. One less thing to worry about.
Putting up some
Oh
amp
my
cover.
goodness.
He needs to go here, I think. Oh no, we end zone.
Never mind.
One HP, one of them.
Recharging shields.
If we knock them, we push. Heal up. In smoke.
Here? Got them.
Smoke and we
Airstrike coming in.
G-bolt.
Get back. Justin. I need more ammo.
Some damage.
What the fuck? How?
Charging my shields.
Oh, there's no ammo here.
Grenade, head up.
Spotted. Double timing.
Grenade, head up. Charging my shields.
Crack one.
In enemy's shield.
One time. Nice.
Right here.
No, we
No.
just shot by the other team, right?
Scrappy.
A different team.
Threw away your shot.
I got shot from different team.
You do it right. We got you.
Yeah, different team, man. I got shot by a Pathfinder. Ay. Wow, this guy was so lucky, man.
Opponent losing over here.
Is that you, Miss Numan?
Yo. I'm on your PC.
Hello, hello, brother. Welcome.
Hello,
What's
brother.
your what's okay? You're gold here. Nice. Okay, so we can play together. You want to? How do you connect to the net? To connect to Discord? Using VPN or? Isn't Discord forbidden in Turkey?
Yeah, it's VPN.
And don't you face any issues? My friends saying that they have lag playing games while connected to the VPN. How do you play then? Isn't
I don't know. It's my first time in years playing FX. I don't know.
okay?
If
So
I still don't know if I have this problem.
okay, should we speak in Discord?
Yep. I'm
Okay.
on Discord.
Dun dun dun dun dun. You have a soldier. You have a soldier feature, man. I was saying, who's this guy? I was saying,
I'm a
who's this?
soldier. I'm a soldier, bro.
I
What do you
said,
mean?
I said, who's this? Who's this Battlefield character, man?
The character called Numan. You know.
Nice
It's
looking,
a
nice
very
looking,
famous character.
nice looking, man. So handsome.
Very
If I was
handsome,
a
yeah,
woman, I would give it.
No need to your to be a woman, you know.
Bro, there's a guy who is very toxic. Who's a Kurdish guy, but we used to play together. But you know, sometimes we lose our mind in game and blame each other, right? One day we discussed, and the reason was very stupid. He was saying, dude, I was crying for you to give me heals and you didn't give it to me while I was under fire. I was trying to survive, and he kept saying this, and then we
Things get pear-shaped, I'll make
how
it
can I
work.
say, we no longer speak. So he's in the game now. We might face against each other, okay? If you face, I'm going to kill that guy.
Made weak by time and fate. Strong in
So it's gonna be like a blood game.
Yes,
You
yes.
got your revenge from friends, old friends.
Wait, I need to increase the your mic sound. It's very quiet.
All right.
Introducing your champion.
It was
But
200.
I have to add that I'm like a newbie now. Since
I'm the
my
jump
last
master.
game was like
Could be worse.
What's up,
3
boys?
months or 4 months ago. So
Mhm.
please
Hello.
Any
bear with me.
mics? Oh,
This ain't too bad of a spot.
Let's go.
And if we die, blame our mate over there.
Why, yes.
Let's show
Can
these
you
fools
please
why their
check
parents
your
never loved
microphone?
them.
Is it close enough to your mouth?
Now I am swallowing it. Swallowing. Is it clear now?
one team
It's-
with
it's
us,
better.
boys. We got this.
No
Lock
problem.
the fuck in.
No problem, man. We got this.
Use your eyes. Enemy landed
I haven't
close by.
played for ages. Please bear with me if I make mistakes.
He's one shot.
Max, check out
One
this
shot, lifeline.
enemy here.
One shot.
Our bow's got the sting of my smart bullet.
Okay, Napoli, I'm coming to you, bro.
Replenishing my
80,
shields.
win time, please, don't die. Napoli, come to me.
Let's go here, mates.
I've detected an
Nappy.
overheat.
This won't hurt. Hold on. Next ring's not very close.
Please don't see us. Okay, run.
From the ring and enclosed.
My bad, man.
Oh, it's all good, bro. I only had a wingman though, and I'm shit with a wingman, so
Dude.
unlucky.
Okay,
Need to
she
recharge
got
my
this, she got this.
Far range
I think they're
forward,
just
left.
dropped on you, really.
I hit her like 144. Like he was 1 mil HP.
Question:
Yeah, when I hit him with my Whistler, it was 15, and he had shield, so maybe he'd
am I
shield,
being able
shielded
to
up.
recover your banners somehow? Here?
As you wish, bro. Just play quiet, maybe. Just,
No, I'm asking where can I get your banners?
I think.
Replicator?
Oh, okay, on the right
You
side.
can
right
run,
side,
dude.
right side, right
You
side.
can
right.
run, yeah.
Let's check out that way.
Grow towers,
10
grow
seconds
towers. Yes.
I hear
Different
someone.
team, different team.
Someone driving there.
Did you see the crafter Napoli?
No,
It's
I'm
close to
actually
you.
blind.
On your right side, okay? Grow towers.
Yeah,
right there,
Go
yes.
grow
Let's
towers,
explore
yeah.
this way.
What is that?
Be careful because the team did drive there.
Maybe it's the guy who killed us and they went there
I don't
because
know.
they
Locator
think
there.
we're gonna craft.
Supplies left.
Maybe.
Oh,
No,
they
they're
changed Okay. They changed the icon.
You can craft us and maybe run, I don't know, man. It's gonna be hectic there now.
Bro, craft and run away.
No, I actually have, respawn beacon.
That killed us might be coming now, so be careful.
All I have to do is recover your
Yeah,
banner.
yeah, exactly. Just take your time.
Okay, they're going. They're going.
Yeah, they are.
Setting a portal.
Nice portal, man. Holy shit. Are you main raid?
Yeah, I'm a 10k main. What do you mean?
Set the portal. Got our squad mate's banner.
Nice. You can craft us at Summers.
Deploying a portal reset.
Ah, very good.
Exactly. Yeah, I told you, man. He's magic.
Now we got this. Just give me another weapon, please. Yes, I'll take that.
Oh, they are next to the portal, bro. They are next to your portal. Great. They are on the replicator. Be careful. They may take it.
Sorry, we all need a back.
No matter how many times I retire, I just keep coming back for more. Heavy arsenal here.
Attention. There is a new kill
Oh.
leader.
Enemy over there. Just waiting to be stepped on.
GB team, GB team.
Takers?
Let's focus our strength. I'm looting here.
Got this
What
weapon
do you get for the
enhanced.
billionaires?
Yeah, GB team, the team who killed us.
They on to you?
They are somewhere here, right here.
Got a full OT.
Right.
Have you seen a sniper?
Sniper?
Triple take here.
Yeah, in the sniper, man. I have optic.
I have sentinel. But I'm using it.
Yeah, no problem. They were right there.
Someone's already been there. Place is a bit battered.
I've spotted a weapon supply bin over there.
Enemy spotted.
Are they going?
Target spotted.
Oh, they are friendly.
Let's regroup there. Companions, we've an Evo harvester here.
Someone raid, maybe someone grab that.
I'll take it, I'll take it.
Extra supplies here. Sniper mag here.
Dibs.
Level 2.
Need to get somewhere in zone.
Got me a new upgrade. Can't wait to give it a spin.
Got my eye here.
Bro give me a...
Cheers.
Kanka benim desene oyundan.
Prepare for war.
Bir defa duyma beni.
Yok ben de sıkıntı yok da.
There's enemies in the area.
Sana sekiyorsa bilelim.
Yo. Senin için diyorum yani.
Great uyardı bir yerdesin.
Enemy over there.
Çocuk kırdım.
Healing up. I shall let you know.
Bro I can't heal. Oh my god.
Replenishing my
going.
shields.
Enemy sprayed.
Oh my goodness.
Grenade, watch it.
Thermite grenade out.
Putting up some arms cover. Thermite out.
Heads up. We're trying to get
Come.
Down one, boys. Fight them.
Coming.
Some damage.
Help, Napoli. Help.
Come hit the portal.
They're gonna take it.
Putting up some armed cover.
Res me. They're resing.
Throwing a phoenix skin. Life here left is
Octanes down. We need to finish that guy.
Fight them. Attack them. I'm healing.
Fuck it.
I took down that hooligan.
Come on. Kanka adama yardım et de var ölmesin. Kill that guy.
Fullenmiş.
Oh, how do we lose? That?
Fullenmiş.
Oh, they're so weak.
GG.
Come on, boys. Come on, we go again.
Adamların They have GB, lifeline, we
No,
not
we can win that. I know. Lifeline, like Gibby was weak too. I took too much damage off him trying to finish Lifeline.
Me too. Adamlar çok iyiydi ya. They were so good at reviving each other.
Sadece revive attılar ya. Çocuk zaten ismi sen getir. Octane fullenmeseydi ben alırdım. Cibi'nin de bir canı kaldı. Cibi zaten. Cibi'nin canı bilmiyor ki.
Ben adamı Cibi'nin Q'suna attı giremiyorsun biliyorsun değil mi?
Ne yapamıyorsun?
Adamın Q'suna giremiyorsun. Şimşek çakıyor sana gelince etkisi oluyor. Watt's'ın Q'suna giriyorsun ya. Öyle
Adam
oluyor.
içine yaptı o zaman bir. Ben çıkarken yavaşladım.
Ben de öyle. O yüzden portala girmek zorunda kaldım. Sonra Octane'i düşürdük. Yoksa ben o Cibi öldürdüm yani o kalmaya çalışırken ama giremedim bir türlü. Hemen geleyim.
Nerede? Ne o? Şey mi? Şurada yatağın örtüsü vardı herhalde.
I love a good party, mate. Best way to show off the gear.
Si tu me amas. Ne yaptın görüşmeli ya Numan? Bayağı oldu görüşmeli ha seni. Bayağı oldu görüşmeli.
Bayağı oldu evet. Ne yapalım abi ya?
Sen Yudis'e falan gittin galiba.
Kaç defa gittim tabii. Ha ilişkin ama.
Ha sanki seni daha gördüm Yudis'e gittiğini gördüm bir dakika abim değil. En son görüştüğümüzde evlilik kararı mı almıştın? Bir şey olmuş değil mi?
Let's make a choice.
Evet. Aileler görüşmüştü nişan olacak bu ay içinde.
Ya.
Nişan ne zaman bilmiyorum. Düğün ne zaman bilemiyorum tabii de. Nişan olacak yakında.
Hayırlısı bir gülüm ya. Her şeyin hayırlısı.
Bronco landed close.
Apex Girmeyen çok oldu be.
Ben de valla.
Target landed near me.
Alam
Tossing up some
uzanmış
amps
atıyor.
cover.
Çok benim.
RE45 here. Let's attack here. Bored gits don't even know what's coming.
Mozambik'te açık olabiliyor mu?
Amps cover for you, mates.
Push, they're rising.
Putting up some amps cover. Buddy. Push here.
What the fuck is this? Different team.
Enemy shield broken.
Different team, be careful.
At that.
Boy jumping. Downed another.
Recharge my shield. Attention. The kill has been eliminated.
45 seconds. Rings close.
Attack that area. Amps cover for you, mate.
Yok beni kaçıyor. Orada biri var.
Putting up some amps cover. Enemy down. Class.
Not bad.
10 seconds to the ring. Close at least.
Attack this area.
I'm out of light ammo. Here, take Doc. Just 60 up.
Attack this area. Rings moving and we're all outside. Enemy trap. Enemy shield broke.
Extended light mag here. Level 2.
Enemy's shield. Attack right here. I'm out of light ammo.
Light up. Got this weapon enhanced. Good.
Enemy down. Class.
Healing up. Eyes are open though. Crafting. Just keeping focus. Heads up. The package coming in.
Wait, run away.
Checking here. Optics here. Close range.
Got an amp here. Bottom dip. Healing up. Eyes are open though.
Laser sight here. Gold.
Extended light mag here. Level 2.
Footsteps? I see you.
Package over there. Care package over there.
They rest.
Some get caught in a dropship.
I'll be back guys, 1 second. Kanka işte bir şey diyor ya, burada birileri var diye hissediyorum.
Değil mi?
Sanki burada birileri var hala. Sniper buldum kendime, süper.
Forward placed. Pretty sure we're not alone here.
Sen değil mi lan? Haberin olsun.
Tam bozulmuş. Hala nefret ediyorum birazdan. Değişim.
Enhanced. Now that's a beaut. Looking for sniper optics.
Ben geleyim. I'm coming home.
Right. Got a fix on the next ring. Check your map. Amps cover for you, mates.
Firing. Getting shot at.
Ping.
This time I'm
Yalnız.
down.
Where?
Karşıda o şey.
Contact.
Inside or outside?
Yok kaçtı. Dışarıda.
Tossing that quick line and I gotcha.
Bak nerede?
Patching myself up.
Burada ya.
Making contact with enemy.
I have no idea what's happening here.
Ortada.
Reloading. Enemy down.
Ana arkadaşlar burada böyle.
Give me a sec. Healing.
Çok kafa karıştırıyor. Octane mi? Pathfinder mi anlamıyorum. Octane değil mi orada öldürdüğümüz?
Fetti galiba.
İşte Pat'li görüyorum. Pat değildi galiba o.
Ne bileyim ya anlamadım. Sesler de karışıyor.
Skin gelmiş. Skin gelmiş. Sen Robocop gibi olmuş karakterler.
Optics here. Close range.
Replicator coming down.
Enhance the weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
I'll scan the zone again.
Ring console here. I tinkered my way to max level. Got me a new upgrade. Right. Got a fix on the next ring. Check your map.
Got some extra munitions here. Back here. Sure we're not
Right.
alone here.
Nerede?
Charging my shields.
Ring nearby. 1 minute check low. Enhanced my weapon. Ring's not too far.
Got
45
one.
left.
A bit too close for comfort.
Ben orada.
I feel like I heard footsteps.
Some
Yep.
fuckers shooting at me.
Orada da biri var.
Putting up
Huh?
some armed cover.
We're close to 30 seconds left.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Another squad's attacking. Focus.
10 seconds.
Guys, we have to fly. Fly.
Regroup here. Giving
We're
my
gonna fly.
shields a recharge.
I'm deploying back tower.
Nah, not a good idea, bro. They are very close.
Heads up. The ring's moving.
Take the
Let's
trail.
go. Face runner there.
Oh my
Hold on,
god. No.
Move that way, mates. Yeah, got a care package.
Ulan iyi misin?
Bilmem.
Care package over there.
Ben neredesin falan alır. İleri geliyorsun. Burada da var.
An enemy's shield.
Two down. Push.
Leader appointed. Broken enemy shield. Reloading.
Take it. He's gonna rest.
Burada. Buraya kaçıyor.
Attack right here.
They spotted me. Have to
Hayır ya şu squad ananı s**eyim. Yukarıda bekliyorlar. Çocuk ölecek ya. Ölme abi.
Bro. I'm really
Bekliyorlar
confused.
yukarıda ya. Amına kodumun salakları. Sadece yukarıda bekliyorlar.
Ben anlamadım ki ben kendi savaşımda alamadım.
Birini kovalıyorduk da öbürleri yukarıda bekliyor.
Oğlum ben takım öldürdüm, Octane düşürdüm, Bag'i düşürdüm. Herhalde aynı takım bunlar ya.
Bu ayrı. Senin o öldürdüğün adam peşinden koşuyordum ben sonunda.
Tamam o zaten şeye girdi, portala daha girdi geri gitti. Ben onun arkasından gittim.
O diriydi ya. Maç bir vardı.
Unlucky man. Weird things happen.
Çay alayım.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna get tea. Grab some tea.
Yeah, enjoy your drink. Where?
Karşıda o şey.
Inside or outside?
Yok karşıda. Dışarıda.
Bak nerede?
Burada ya.
Oh, we don't have third. Con telefono.
Had Muppets burn down my life before. This should be a walk in the park.
Oh, we don't have any extra in one.
We land where there's a sniper, and we play
Okay.
sniper.
Okay.
Introducing your champion.
My legs are ready to go. Partes no están incluidos.
Let's land here.
Here we go. Ready up. I think I may have been spotted.
Bring the party!
Ultim on us. Sniper's here.
Could go over there.
Oh,
Just a
two
thought.
teams. Two teams.
Wrong, you can kill me.
Got a sniper, a peacekeeper.
Enhanced my weapon.
Grenade, watch it. Putting up some amped cover. Thermite out. Grenade, heads up. Arc star out. Getting some damage.
I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit. Giving my shield.
We need to let them fight, bro.
Pipe down, Susie. Putting up some amped cover.
Left, on your right.
There's an enemy.
Oh! Bro! Jump forward.
Recharge my shield.
Putting up some amped cover. Grenade. Shield a flanker. My amped cover's destroyed. Putting up some amped cover. Healing up, hold on.
Where?
One, but another
My
shot.
cover. There goes my cover, mates. Grenade, heads up.
This one.
Listen, let's move here.
I'm upgraded and better than ever.
Oh,
Healing up, hold on.
and I got scanned.
I'm still here, just watching that spot. Charging my shields.
They really want to.
I better heal up. Healing
Yeah,
so
come.
hot between no lunch and
God.
little bullets. Someone's shooting at me. Putting up some amped cover. An enemy.
Oh my goodness.
My Nice one, nice
I'll take out the trash myself.
Bro, what a grenade, motherfucker.
Extended light mag here.
I'll be back.
It's only over when it's over.
I got the need for speed.
Fancy a goal? No need to dress nice. Gonna get messy.
Introducing your champion.
Get in my way, and you'll wish I hexed you instead.
Right. I'm the governor. Time to cause some mischief, huh?
We should land there. Looks like fun. Eeny, meeny, miny. How about there? Looks fun over there.
This might be a good place to land.
Oh, hells yeah, chica.
Madre mía. Sorry,
Let's show these fools
Where did you
why
go,
their
guys?
parents never loved them.
Garden, garden.
coming.
Heads up. A baddie landed by me.
Oi, enemy landed nearby. Better pull up your pants.
Sorry.
You're coming with me, Doc.
Yo, cracking it.
I'm down.
Hey, hey, hey, hey, hey, hey.
That one.
Got one.
Attention.
Now you good. Up and out.
Got you, buddy.
Thank you, buddy.
Just never gets packed up. 1 minute, rings close. Plenty of time to jam.
Guys, I'm lagging.
It's go time.
45 seconds. Bring your car to fall. Move it to lose it. You need shield, though.
Behind.
Nice. Weapons in hand.
Rings closing at 30. It ain't far. You're scared? Well, too late. Enemy taken down. Giving my shields a recharge.
No way.
You played dead like a pro.
Hostile close.
Unlucky, buddy. Hello, my friends.
Napped, built some guns, stole leftovers from Witt's fridge. Mate, I'm tip-top.
Midday, all good with me.
No.
All aboard the Octane.
Sto come un trozo. Io mi dico así.
Introducing your
Ok,
champion.
hablo, sí. Yeme. Esi yeme.
Kapımı kapat.
This might be a good place to land.
Wait a second. Nah.
Get ready. Moving up.
Nah, I'm good. Thanks mate. Kanka gel bu tarafa gel.
Let's check out over there, mates.
O soldaki savaşatlar. Come.
Exploring around here. I either got a hunch or it's scarce.
Bro, this GB is so weird. GB. It's very weird.
Aldı. Ben mi?
We're already in the ring.
Tamam görüşürüz falan.
Another squad is attacking us. Charging up my shields.
Kanka buradan gidelim. Ben bu GB'den çok şüphelendim. Üste.
Shot at. Putting up some amped cover. Charging my shields. Thermite out.
Burning.
Bu adam iyi.
Come. One more team. Kanka bütün takım da bir sürü ya.
Man, you ain't no operator.
Of istek kazandım ben ya. Kanka bu cibi bak. Kanka bu cibi var ya bu cibi. Şu an Watson Little Boy yazıyor ya.
Evet.
Kanka bu adamda bir şey var. Ne biliyor musun? Adamın duruşunu görmen lazım. Tamam mı? Ama bir de vuruşunu görmen lazım. Duruyor böyle sabit. Bir sıkıyor senin beyin dağılıyor. Bana onu yaptı yani. Bana 108 vurdu bir anda. Sabit duruyor böyle. Hani pro bir oyuncu olsa durması sabit, anladın mı? Bu adam sabit duruyor hiç kıpırdamadan ama vuruşları muazzam şüpheli. Muazzam.
Bizde. Baktım var.
Sen o adamları kırdın burada. Tam burada kırdın. Ben o duvara çıktığım gibi abi direkt aşağı atma zorunda kaldım. O mesafeden yani.
Package over there. Let's get on that. Mira, we should check that out.
Adam çok komik lan.
Got myself an upgrade.
Neyse boş ver ya. Dırırım. Sen şey denemiş miydin Battlefield 6'yı?
Denedim sanki bir ara ama sonra bıraktım.
Bir tane oyun modu var. Çok hoşuma gidiyor ya. Oyunun genelini beğenmiyorum. Oyunun genel şeyini ama bu oyun modu niye güzel biliyor musun? Şey böyle. Mesela seni bir modla başlatıyor. Onu kazanan diğer moda geçiyor. Sonra elenenler oluyor. Öyle en son bir mod kalıyor ve bir takım kalıyor kanka. Anladın mı? Herkes böyle derece girmeye çalışıyor falan. Acayip çekişmeli geçiyor. O yüzden baya şey bağımlı yapıyor seni yani. Baya eğlenceli.
Let's get this over with. We're so open soon and I haven't had lunch yet.
Bir de o mod şeyle giriyor. Bedava modla yani bedavayla giriyor. Ben oyunu satın almadım. Battlefield'i. Eğer istersen ara ona da oynayabiliriz yani.
Bana çok vaktim yok ama yani canımız çeker.
O zaman boş ver. Ha bunlar bizim arkadaşlar lan. Atrosi falan. Bizim Rıdvan'ın arkadaşları bunlar. Görkemler falan bunlar. Tanıyorum.
I'm the jump master. Could be. Here we go, mates.
Hello my friends, hello. I'm old, slow, but good player.
Exploring that area, mates. Woohoo! Bring the party!
Bölge değişti mi?
No.
Bu harita değişmiş galiba böyle değil.
Looking real pretty now.
Değişti ya. Allah aşağı. Oh.
Biliyor musun?
Ölmüyoruz kanka. Ips. Tek.
Ama aşağı.
1 minute. Rings
İnsan
close.
ölüyor sanıyor değil mi?
Plenty of time to
Allah
jam.
öldün diyorsun ama ölmüyorsun.
Ya Allah.
Extended heavy mag here. Level
Sen
3.
şey de yedin kanka. Yine hemlakın yine halde yedin
Ring
mi?
ain't far at all. Move to
Gördüm,
lose it.
denemek istiyorum ama denemedim.
Attention. Evo harvesters are online.
Fena değil yani senin yayından gördüğüm kadarıyla.
Şey ya ne derler?
Takılıyor ya.
He. Pirate düşük ya.
Optics here.
Bende de
Close range.
kaçırmıyorsun fazla. I'm going for the harvester.
10 seconds. Rings close. We got this. We've got an Evo harvester here.
There is a loba. Loba ult. Probably here.
Your mates got one there.
Bir adam var.
Bak ben size diyeyim ha. Buramaya geldim.
We've got an Evo harvester here.
Okay.
That's my jam, mates. Drinks on me.
Laser sight here. Level 3.
Bence var ya hemen girmeyeyim oraya kanka. Bu takım da burada var. Burada bir takım var.
Someone's already been there. Place is a bit bad.
Loba ulti yapıyordu şimdi az önce burada.
Target on their back.
Enemy spotted.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Lifelines got your back.
Al geldiler bize.
Getting shot at.
Gidiyorum. Kırdım onu.
Ne?
Kırdım. Seni sevdim.
Can't forget the upgrade though. Drag out. Oxstar out.
Taking shots here.
Reloading.
Throwing Oxstar. Broke their shield. Enemy shield broken.
Lo.
Up close and in my
Ayağım.
face.
Robot hemen geldi.
Lifelines got your back.
Enemy's shield.
One shot.
Here, take block. He'll fix it up.
That's my jam, mates. Drinks on me.
I got no ammo.
I'm out of light ammo.
Light up da var zaten.
Fuck man.
Kaçtı mı? Al abi bak.
Aldım biraz low. Kanka bunlar
Extended heavy mag here. Level 3.
ben anlamadım. Bunların niye şey vardı ya bu kadar bunların
Charging my
Loba.
shield.
Loba.
şey var.
İyi.
I'm getting shot at.
Allah.
I'm crafting something underneath.
Where?
Taking some damage. Cracking enemy's shield.
Bro, they are cheating. What the fuck is this?
Giving my shield a recharge.
Can you hear me please?
Target over there.
I don't like this. We have to go. I don't trust this guys. Kanka Alman'ın şeyi vardı bak.
Oyunu senin.
Enemy there.
Bizim. Kanka Alman'ın şeyi vardı bak. Bu sırık karakterin var ya. Sırık karakterin.
Hı hı.
O can basıyor, yelek basıyor. Alman'ın o karakteri yok ama Her vurduğunda yelek vardı
Move
adamlarda.
that way, mates.
Nasıl oluyor? Ekstra yelek vardı adamlarda. Loba'da, Revenant'ta nasıl oluyor bu?
Right, getting my cover out of here.
Hatta o öldürdüğümüz kişiyi ses sandım ben. Öldürdüğüm kişiyi ses sandım ben. Sırı karakterin. Ama değildi. Kanka bu silah, bu aracın rengini görüyor musun sen? Soldaki rengini beyaz değil mi? Bu renk beyazdan sonra şey dönüyor. Kırmızı dönüyor. Kırmızı olmadan atlamamız lazım. Yoksa patlıyor. Patlayınca ölüyorsun direkt.
Atlayamıyorum, nasıl atlayacağımı anlamadım şimdi. Şey işte.
Taking some damage. Getting my cover out of here.
Taking shots here.
Amped cover for you, mate.
Don't worry about me.
They're chasing you.
Kısına bir sıkıyor bunu.
I'm spotted. Taking fire. Replicator coming down. Enemy shields broke. You're done good, Doc. Come on back now. Just giving my shields a recharge.
Ya adamları göremiyorum bile, delireceğim ya.
Throwing thermite.
Bak gelmeye devam et.
Got my halo here.
Throwing up some amped cover.
Frog out.
Down.
Best bloody day ever.
Kanka dikkat et.
Ring's closing in 45. It's close. We can go now, kill here, whatever. I'm pumped.
Şeyleri galiba.
Good job.
Feeling upgraded and ready to take on the world.
Ne?
Few blonkers at least.
Burada.
This way, mates.
We should get moving. Don't
Burada.
Death box here.
Sen görmedin mi onu öldürdüğümü?
Görmedim. Bunu görmedim.
Tossing up some amped cover.
battery here. Aw, it's a mini or me.
10 seconds. Ring's close. We got this.
Hostile over there.
Ring's moving and we're all outside. Let's not die this way. Cool?
Care package being delivered.
Care package coming in. Feel that hype, yeah?
I'm back. You good?
Bolt here. Level 3.
Ya.
Getting packed up. Deploying enemy back tower. Hey, let's check out over there, mates.
Loot.
Putting up some amped cover.
Replicator being delivered.
Got a replicator coming in, mate. Sealed in here.
Go ahead.
Last 301
Extended
here.
light mag here. It's gold tier.
Healing up, hold on. 45 seconds. Ring ain't far at all. Move it or lose it.
Nasıl ya? Nasıl oluyor?
The times I can't help.
Nasıl oluyor ya?
Now this is something to celebrate.
Ne abi?
Rings close.
Hah,
Got
şimdi
30
oldu.
seconds. Let's
Kanka-
turn it up, mates.
See that tower?
Kraber'ım var, tamam mı? Bak. Bunu alınca mermi sınırsız oluyor, nasıl?
Evet ya, biraz fazla şey o. Ben de badımız shield bataryayı aldım. Şu an 3 tane bataryam var.
Bende baya baya var. Hepsini ben aldım.
The corner. 10 left.
Mermi ihtiyacım yok. Hepsi attım yere mermileri. Boş ileri batarya koydum. Let's go high ground.
Hey, mates. Let's go OT.
Rival over there. Wonder what the play is.
Regroup. Dope.
Bence iyi olmuş ya öyle olması.
Care package on its way.
Evet.
Yani
Geçen
çünkü
koydum.
Kraber almak istemiyorsun ki kanka o zaman da. Almak istemiyorsun ya. Mermi sırasız kalıyorsun ya. Almak istemiyorsun o zaman da. Ya resin.
Look at that plonker over there. No idea they're about to die. Putting up some amped cover.
Kill leader.
Gracias, cariño. Cuidado. Ay.
New kill leader.
Ay.
But they used a rampart for them
Sí, sí.
shots.
Round 4. Beginning ring countdown.
Kanka.
Replicator being delivered.
Replicator dropping in.
I think we should go there.
Benim hanım uğraşıyor kilo almama ya. Ne yapacağım ben bununla?
Sana kaldırma memuru.
He. Hep ye diye bana kilo almaya çalışıyor.
An enemy there. Ring close in 1 minute. Taking shots here.
Tossing up some amped cover.
Recharging my shields. 1 sec.
Enemy spotted.
45 seconds.
Down.
Cancel that.
Oh, they have GB.
Throwing thermite.
Applying damage.
Heads up, mates. Another squad coming in.
Enemy shield broken.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Ha girdin mi? Girmeseydin keşke.
Ayağı kırdım. Tamam.
An enemy's shield.
Halo. On your feet. Last man's got your back.
Gelirlerse yardım etmem lazım.
Recharging my shields.
Geliyor. Bizimki
Yapma be.
Tossing out
Ya bizimki bırakmasa geliyor da
some
yani
amped
alır.
cover. Hey, mate.
Oh.
An enemy's shield. Enemy taken down.
İlaçları var ona göre.
Oh my god man. Oh.
Extended heavy mag here. Gold tier.
Dedik buraya. Episódios, dois domínios. Sim. ¿Qué tal, señores?
Hostia, alguien que entienda, menos mal. Digo que por fin alguien que entiendo.
Evet.
Ne güzel diyor. En sonunda anladığım birisi var diyor. Hani hep yabancılar geliyor da ona. Şey yani hani sonunda birisi var diyor. Dilinden anladığım. Qué raro ver a los españoles jugando a Apex. No se os da bien.
Somos bastante malos, la verdad que sí.
O sea, me refiero que mayoría juega a Warzone y es muy raro ver a un español jugando a Apex.
Sí, porque no me da el ordenador para el Warzone.
¿No?
No. Porque por la línea y por todo, este es más sencillo,
Ya.
te requiere menos requisitos. Y puedo hacer algo, ¿sabes?
Sí.
Warzone, pues, entre las actualizaciones y demás.
Sí,
es un
no
jaleo.
paran de meter actualizaciones.
Boy, enemy landed nearby. Better pull up your pants.
Tengo uno por aquí, Uno aquí.
Hay mucha gente. Nice.
Vale, ahí, se la han cargado, Gente aquí arriba.
Shield broke. Someone's shooting at me.
Vale, te curo. Hay uno en la montaña,
No tengo balas.
Hay
No
uno
tengo
arriba,
balas.
Heavy ammo.
Hay uno ahí arriba, con un arco que está
Guys,
reventando.
go. Gamen lazım. Let's go.
Let's go here, mates.
Got no ammo.
Espera, le mando. Le curo. Vale, está aquí arriba.
Vení, no tengo balas.
I'm out of heavy
Vale, tranquilo. Tengo 83 pesadas.
Necesito cambiar la arma. ¿De qué parte de España eres? ¿Madrid?
Barcelona.
Barcelona.
Barcelona ahora. Sí.
A ver si un día voy por ahí.
Barcelona es muy bonita.
Nunca fui a ver.
Good. Inside the next ring.
No hablas bien castellano, pero no eres de
Se
por aquí,
nota.
¿verdad?
No.
Sí. Nada.
Soy kurdo de Turquía.
Ah,
Soy catalán de Turquía.
hostia. Muy bien. No, pues lo hablas bastante bien,
Phoenix Kit here.
Gracias, tío. Llevo 10 años en España.
Ah, entonces ya lo tienes hecho.
Sí.
¿Te gusta, la cultura de aquí o no? Hay de todo, ¿no?
Care package coming. Feel that high.
No es algo que puedo decirte que es súper diferente, pero sí me gusta el respeto que tenéis uno a otro, galegos con... A ver si me
Gente,
explico. ¿Dónde?
Octanes, no sé dónde. Cuidado, Ahí arriba, ¿verdad? Vale.
Okay, go up.
¿Voy contigo?
Pingat.
Vale, ahí. Uy, que me revientan. Me voy.
Frag out.
Me voy abajo, Tengo que disparar bien estos,
Get inside and get right.
Tossing a frag. Tossing outside.
Fuck.
Buah, vaya seguridad, adelante.
Shield broke.
Push. Octanes low.
Voy a por el Octane,
Sí,
Voy a
sí,
por el
sí.
Octane. No, va muy lejos este tío. Vale, vuelvo como...
GB döndü GB. GB estaba aquí.
Fasten your sugar.
GB tiró su Q, su escudo y desapareció. No lo vi pasar.
Stabilizer here. Level 3.
El Octane salió echando hostias.
Pero GB y Octane salieron juntos. Yo no le vi a GB.
Mira, aquí está lo del salto.
Kanka GB
Pero
de vardı
Octane salió
kapıda.
volando.
GB yok olduğunu anlamadım
Kill
ben.
leader. Bet they use the rampart for them shots.
Açtı ya.
Vale, voy con vosotros.
¿Cómo? Mevlam. O Mevlam var ya kanka sana gelsin o.
Eyvallah ama.
Shield battery here.
Ring console here.
Ya están reviviendo,
¿Qué?
Reviviendo. Ese es el Octane, seguro.
Fights on you. I mark the next ring on your map.
Ben silahımı beğenmiyorum ya.
Supplies here. Take 'em or don't. I don't care.
Sniper bulacağım ya sniper
Cuando ya
lazım.
de esta,
Optics here. Mid-range.
no, ya.
My weapons in hand.
Ah, también.
Stabilizer here. Level 2.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Belim ağrıyor
Me
ya.
están dando.
Which means they're coming to us.
Ulti.
Replicator being delivered.
Hostile spotted.
Vale, voy por aquí yo.
Kanka soldan gidiyoruz biz.
Broke their shield now.
Bir canı var be.
Cayó.
Yapma.
Cuidado, cuidado. Me matan.
Ölmün lan. Hı.
Landland's got your back. Here, take look.
Ben.
Şurada var şimdi. Şu an bir anda başladık ya.
Te vuelvo por el lado.
Getting shot at.
Oradan da biri geldi. Nasıl oluyor ya? Bir anda be.
Good enough, command.
Bekle.
Bir anda.
Por todos lados. Voy por aquí.
Better take it one shot.
Kanka onlar da bizim onlar da bunlar. İşte bizim bölümde otel vardı ya. Gibi falan. Bunlar onlardı.
Replicator there. You'll need it because I'm not helping you. Recharging shields. Ten seconds.
Da vuelta por
and
aquí.
it's right there.
Me voy.
Creo que te va a dar tiempo para recuperar los baños.
Replicator there. You'll need it because I'm not
Ah,
helping
no.
you.
Están cerca.
Ah, es que hay mucha gente ahí. Bueno. Han venido para aquí todos, ¿sabes? A ver si me puedo colar.
Attention.
Voy a intentarme meterme ahí en todo el jaleo.
Hı.
¿Vale?
Hı.
A ver si se han ido la pelea para el otro lado. Ahí voy.
Hacia las
No
casas,
puedo.
las casas, las casas, hacia la derecha.
¿Todo aquí?
Bueno, te deja arriba porque no
Aquí.
hay...
Vale. Vale, estamos dentro del... Vale, voy a cubrir. Vale, aquí nos podemos meter, ¿eh? ¿Queréis meter aquí?
No, no. Aquí, aquí,
Keep
aquí.
over there. Just a thought. I'm wrong, you can
Ahí.
hear me.
Ujú.
Vale, voy con vosotros.
Vamos a qué? De esto no te puedes llevar tuyo.
Aquí podéis lootear, ¿eh? Si queréis un
Place
poquito.
started. Another squad's been through.
Very good.
No, el tuyo me.
Se están pegando, ¿eh? Aquí si queréis se están pegando durísimo.
Şey diyor. Gelirse diyor savaşıyor abi burada.
Find on you. I marked the next ring on your map.
I see.
Bakalım mı?
Aquí tenéis.
Efendim?
On bir squad var yani.
Me vuelvo.
Either a care package is coming in or this guy's just happy to see me.
Cuidado, cuidado, Lootear ahí. Vale, yo. Cuidado. Bien. Cuidado que tiene gente. Venga, aquí tiene gente. Aquí un montón. Aquí dentro. Cuidado,
Putting up some out cover.
No te puedo cubrir de nadie. Vale, se van a subir para arriba.
Putting up some out cover.
Otro roto ese.
Keep your mess out of the fast lane, plonkers.
Hangisi el último? Look gel.
Meet up
Se están
here.
pegando aquí, Vale, casi uno hecho.
¿A quién disparas?
Need a frag grenade. Charging my shields. Extended light mag here. Level 3. Portal over there.
Vale, voy contigo.
45 seconds. Rings nearby.
Están pegando por aquí, Aquí. Aquí podemos sacar kills, si queréis.
Hit an enemy. There's one, mates. Enemy's shields broke.
Buenísimo. Watch it.
Sí, ya lo he visto.
Getting shot. Someone's got a death wish. Recharging shields.
Aquí podemos meternos,
Damaged one.
Okey. Ha sola girebilir diyor. Sola bakabiliriz diyor.
Watching this spot.
Opening fire.
Vale, cuidado aquí, Cuidado aquí, que creo que hay gente,
Putting up some
Aquí.
out cover.
Vale,
Move that way, mates.
necesito lootear, Necesito
Sí, yo también.
pesadas, Cuidado, que aquí hay gente,
I need light ammo.
Ligera tengo yo un montón, mira.
Ben biraz aldım.
Coge todas estas. Todas estas. Hay gente aquí,
Throwing thermite.
Están por este lado.
Thermite out. You get a bullet. You get a bullet.
Tiro incendiario ahí. ¿Quién te ha dado? Detrás, cuidado.
Cover for you, mate.
Alandan geliyorlar.
Fuck man. GG.
Imposible.
Biz niye ilerlemeye çalışıyoruz ki? Yani arkamıza bakacağız sadece. Niye ya? Yani. Böyle gelir vururlar biz. İlerlemeye çalışıyoruz.
Aferin ya.
Hı? Ne?
Nereden aklan geldi anlamadım ben. Dün geldiler mi geldiler?
Ha işte buradan. Şu an adam baktığı yerden gelmiş. Gelmeyecek. Bizim orayı önce bir emin olup oradan kimsenin gelmeyeceğini sonra arkamızı dönmemiz gerekiyor. Direkt arkamızı dönmüş. Ondan sonra beni vurdular yani. Ben oraya bakarken.
चल धूम मचाते हैं पार्टी टाइम
Bakalım. ¿Cuál? Sí. Ese es diferente. Oye. A ver,
Introducing your champion.
Yo te hago caso.
Try not to blink. You may miss me.
Yo te voy, tú te vas.
It's not all that bad. The sun's out, it's a nice day. Just trying to be hopeful.
I say we land here. Enough lying around. We dropping.
See someone out there? Mira,
Headed over
we
there.
should check that out.
Okay. Wait a second.
Nice. I saw someone, and I don't think they're selling cookies.
Mates, that's one sad enemy over there.
Enemy over there.
We're already in the ring. Guess I'll run in circles for fun.
Attention.
Enemy here. Close enough to smell the
Someone's out
teardrops.
there. They're far.
Thermite out.
Throw an arc star.
Item açıyor mu?
Down that one.
Knock one on the roof. Knock one on the roof.
Enemy spotted over there. Heads up, we're not alone.
Tossing up some amped cover. Some flunkers shooting at me. Grenade. Charging my shield. My amp cover's destroyed. Grenade, watch it. Reload.
Oh my goodness, man.
Yo, cracked it. They're shooting at me.
Keep lying and I got Doc. Stay with me. And keep the healing coming.
Charging up my shields.
Good. Inside the next ring. This one's free. Remember that.
Oy oy oy oy.
Putting up some amped cover.
guys.
Yeah, bro,
Ultimate's ready.
Ben yatıyorum abi ya.
Better take a ball and chalk, mate. This place ain't for you. Better take a ball and chalk, mate. This place ain't for you.
Maybe you can come raise me. I'm trying to. Nah, never mind.
Not gonna life man left, man.
Ne oldu lan?
Ben yatıyorum ya.
Başka mı? Şey değil mi ya?
Kesin geldi abi ya. Ben bir patlar yatıyorum.
Valla. Güzel ya. Çıkma duyabilsem.
Uyursun yani iyi. Uyusan uyursun ama gece bir şey yediğin için uyuyamazsın.
Aa Muro sen arkadaşın değil mi Muro bak. Muro öldü. Senin bir arkadaşın vardır Muro diye kanka değil mi Apeş'te?
Kim?
Muro. Diye bir arkadaşın var
Yok
senin.
abi. Mura yoktu ya.
Ah.
Hadi ben kaçtım, bol şans. İzlerim
Abim.
herhalde.
Ben benim çıkışı yok. Konuşamam
Yapıyorum
senin yemek yiyorum çünkü.
Sorun yok, afiyet olsun.
Görüşürüz.
Bana
Eyvallah.
evet.
Must go faster. Booyah! Taking fire. Got it.
That guy left the game because he was sleepy. My friend.
Got a banner. It's a race to the beacon.
There is a new kill leader.
I've only got to worry about half the squads now. Charging on my shields.
I think you should bring me outside the zone. And then we come here together. Otherwise, others gonna push you. Once you try to bring me.
Mira, someone's out there. They're far.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown. Attention, delivering replicator.
Yo, replicators coming in. Must go faster.
Buddies.
Abi.
Merhaba.
Merhaba amigo, ¿cómo estás?
What the fuck? Absolutely useless people, man. Look at the damage.
Yo no estaba comiendo. Yo cenando. ¿Qué tal,
Quise
tío?
venir antes, pero bien. Quise venir ya antes, pero el niño despertó, después no quiso dormir, después despertó la niña. Nah, Es
lo
viernes,
típico.
es fin de semana.
Sí, sí, sí.
¿Tú qué tienes? ¿Vacaciones para Semana Santa?
Yo tenía esos días de festivo, junté con mis días 4 días, 5 días. Y la
Sí, yo voy
semana...
a trabajar lunes y martes y a partir de miércoles hasta el día 7 estoy de vacaciones. Yo cogí miércoles, jueves, viernes de la semana que viene y el lunes de la siguiente, porque los niños tienen toda la semana vacaciones y el lunes día 6 también y hasta el 7 no van a escuela.
Ah.
Pues me cogí yo también, bueno, trabajo lunes y martes voy a la oficina para que no me lo tenga que perder y así ya después ya hago puente.
Qué bien.
Oye, me inscribí en la oferta de Econocom para nivel 3.
Ostras, yo también.
¿La de servicios conectados?
Creo que sí, no estoy seguro. Pero pedían, revisé sus requisitos. Más o menos entiendo a qué se refieren.
Pero tú, ¿en cuál te inscribiste? Porque había dos.
A las dos.
En las dos.
De hecho...
Pero tú en tu oferta ponía nivel 3, ¿no?
Sí, sí, sí. Yo sabiendo
no
nivel 3.
La
¿No?
mía no pone nivel 3, no, porque la mía es un equipo nuevo.
Ajá.
También de Stellantis.
Introducing your champion.
Pero a mí no me llegó ninguna... Igual sí.
You'll find me there.
Yo no lo sé,
En el mío
solo...
ponía que era temporal, pero en el mío, después de hablar con José Lorenzo y también me lo explicó a mí, es permanente. Es para trabajar con los técnicos que están en los concesionarios, los que hacen las actualizaciones para los coches, ¿sabes?
Está bien.
En nivel 3 hay muchas cosas. Hay los que hacen después hay los que hacen servicios conectados, no tienen ciertas pautas que cumplir para después mandarlo a los equipos. Y a mí esas cosas me aburren, ¿entiendes? Yo quiero algo técnico.
Sí, ¿no?
Y por eso el equipo técnico, de trabajar con los técnicos y de desarrollar nuevos métodos para los coches me parece bien.
Sí.
Con todas las actualizaciones de mobile network y después todo lo que tiene que ver en el coche con Connected
Qué bien,
Service.
macho. Espero que
A ver,
te...
yo más que nada porque tengo que abandonar BDPDT, porque yo para BDPDT son muy caros. Porque yo tengo un sueldo muy alto, entonces como ya llevo 10 años trabajando como técnico profesional para Econocom, como el Stellantis también le recortó el presupuesto porque cambiaron el modelo del Service Desk, ¿no? Cuando
sí.
Entonces todos los técnicos viejos que estaban, pues los quieren en proyectos en donde es más razonable su uso. Entonces, como hasta ahora no había ninguna cosa que me interesaba mucho, porque lo de General Electric me parecía una mierda, porque había que hacer todo de nuevo. Y lo de Ares, para donde marchó Alejandro, tampoco no me interesa, porque quiero trabajar con Antía. Entonces ahora apareció esta oferta que es del equipo de Eric también y de Marcos, de nivel 3, pero es un proyecto nuevo, ¿sabes?
Pues...
Ahora Stellantis en marcha. Y a ver qué tal, a ver si me cogen. A ver.
Ya.
José Lorenzo me dijo, a ver, hay 50 personas que se inscribieron en la oferta, pero tu perfil ya es de lo más alto que hay, porque tú conoces los procedimientos.
Ya. Pues mucha suerte, tío. Espero que...
ver si tengo suerte.
Sí.
A ti si te cogen nivel 3 te viene de puta madre, ¿sabes por qué? Pasas a 8 horas de trabajo, pero tienes horario flexible desde las 6 de la mañana hasta las 8 de la tarde. En el equipo de Anil, por ejemplo, y te suben el sueldo a 23.000 bruto.
Ya.
Que para ti sería un salto enorme. En tu caso serían 500 euros más al mes. Es mucha pasta de un golpe. También lo mereces. A ver si tenemos suerte los dos.
Pues yo hice una entrevista, pero...
Ah, ¿yo te hicieron la entrevista?
Sí. Oh shit.
¿Es like de Marcos
No sé si es Marcos.
o Eric?
Oh, run. One more team, I guess. Maybe I'm wrong.
Come.
Un chico que suelo ver en dónde suelen estar los referentes y tal. Un chico con
Gafas.
Sí, creo que sí.
Pelo largo.
Sí, habla español. Francés.
Es Eric. Es Eric.
Es Eric.
Ese es el service manager.
Sí.
Ese tiene 4 equipos bajo su mano de Stellantis.
Vale, pues hice entrevista con él, me dijo, yo sabes que yo no quería abandonar donde estoy yo ahora, porque conozco a la gente y tal, me gustaría quedarme.
Sí, pero tu sueldo es una mierda.
Sí. No, bueno,
Pero
si cambio de puesto.
En el equipo de Eric vas a estar muy bien porque Eric es muy buen jefe.
Sí, ya me cae bien. O sea, era muy amable, muy...
Es muy amable, es muy buena persona.
Yo también, por ejemplo, quiero algo técnico, Javi. A mí
ahí
no
vas
me
a estar
gusta,
muy bien,
no me
Con Eric
gusta.
vas a estar No, yo de management y esa mierda no me gusta. A mí me gusta hacer cosas técnicas, cosas que tienen un sentido.
Claro.
Pero con Eric, en el equipo de Eric vas a estar muy bien en ese equipo. Vas a estar muy bien.
Ya.
Cogen vas a estar muy bien. Ahí vas a estar muy bien.
Espero que sí. Me dijo, hace falta, pero aún tenemos entrevistas y tal, pues te digo después.
Sí, no, es normal, pero tus conocimientos técnicos y tu alto nivel de inglés es muy importante para él.
Ya.
Porque a él no le sirve gente que nativa francés y habla inglés, pero tiene un nivel de inglés no tan bueno como tú y no tiene el nivel técnico que tienes tú. Así que tienes muy buenas cartas. Ojalá que te
A ver, Javi. A mí, yo le dije muchas veces a Oliver, dije, mira, yo soy una persona que tiene conocimientos de ordenadores y tal, tengo un nivel de técnico y a mí me gustaría cambiar de puesto.
Sí, haces bien. A ver, también si yo abandono de TDT y Eric me...
Bro, where are you, bro?
Quedaría
I'm dancing with the wolves.
Fucking run, man. You should come to us. Yeah, fucking.
Perdona, Javi, estoy en juego y no puedo hablar contigo. Claro, a mí, por ejemplo...
Estás jugando Apex.
Sí. Yo lo que me pasa en nivel 1, al principio estaba bien para aprender el environment de trabajo, cómo se trabaja y tal, para entender el lógico. Ahora, como ya entiendo qué es lo que hacemos, qué herramientas usamos, qué usan los usuarios, cuáles son problemas, ahora me siento un poco...
Más
digo que ya está. Necesito algo más. ¿Me explico? O sea, a mí me gustaría algo parecido a BDT. Me valdría BDT, pero incluso pido más de BDT. No es solo conectar al usuario de ordenador de usuario y resolver un problema de una aplicación. Blind. No me gustaría solo esto. Me gustaría algo más técnico, ¿me entiendes? O sea,
sí.
Con lo que conozco, con la información que tengo, ya llevo años con ordenadores y tal, research, bla bla, ya sabes, típico de lo que hacemos los amantes de ordenadores, ¿no? En componentes y tal. Y ahora, con todo lo que aprendimos en nivel 1 y tal, ahora me gustaría, la verdad, algo fuera de lo normal, para que me emocione y tal, y aprender más. Hablé con Oliver, le dije esto también. Yo lo que observo, sabes que me siento un poco quemado No sabes cuántos